Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Chevy Impala. Stock number is A7607A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have Goodyear Eagle tires on here. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up and becomes the third seat in the front row, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the trunk. There's plenty of storage room here in the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise as well as audio controls mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Impala on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.